Imagine a class where there was no teacher and no lecture. Education is a process of discovery. Instead of being told how to learn, what to learn, and when you learned it, picture discovering for yourself what you want to know while playing games and group activities with others. Talking isn't teaching, listening isn't learning, and we learn by doing. Experience is the best teacher. That's why we call it experiential learning, where adult learners thrive in a simulated business environment that challenges, stimulates, excites, and rewards the natural learning style of each individual. It may sound strange, but it's true. You can learn about the world of business and finance without boring, mind-numbing lectures. Attend one of our Trek-approved courses, and you will see why hundreds of graduates rave about the world-class content and the games and simulated business activities that made each topic memorable, fun, and experience to be remembered for a lifetime. The real test of what you know is not in the classroom, it's in the real world. Prepare yourself for the future today. Have fun, learn more, faster, with greater retention, and apply your business and investing skills by getting an experience of the topic, not just a lecture. The memorization of the right answers is no indication of a person's intelligence or ability. Get experience in class. Learn by doing. Have fun. It's a whole new way of educating adult learners who don't want to sit in class for hours on end. Remember, you were born a genius and meant to be an incredible success. Unleash your natural curiosity. Dare to be naive. Push beyond the boundaries of what you know. Enter the unknown world of experiential learning. The Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it, and where learning is both fun and exciting. I'll see you in class.